In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels not uploading. So first thing you wanna do is you wanna check if Instagram needs updating. So it could be the issue. So let's leave Instagram here, go to Play Store, and over here I'm gonna search for Instagram. Search and Instagram. And if it needs updating, simply update it, and this could fix your issue. But if your issue is still there, then you wanna go back to Instagram and simply log out and re-log in, and after that you wanna basically remove Instagram from your background, and hopefully this should fix your issue. But if your issue is still there, then try to uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app and wait for a few hours, and hopefully this should fix the issue. But if you're still having issues, then you might want to try to clear the search history. So basically you want to go to your profile, go to the top right, and then you want to search for search history here. Search history. Click on search history, and here you want to clear the search history by simply clicking on clear all searches like this, and all time clear all searches, and this should hopefully fix your issue. But if this didn't fix your issue, then your last option would simply report the issue. So you might want to simply go to your profile and then click at the top right, and then scroll down. Over here you're gonna see Help Center. Click on Help, and then click Report a Problem. Click Report Problem without shaking, and then you simply want to click Include and Continue and just report your issue right here. Include an image or screenshot and submit a report, and Instagram support will help you. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.